Hello students, today you will learn lesson 13 Manufacturing Industries of SS Standard 10. We were on page number 108 Copper Refining. The usage of copper has increased due to its properties such as easy conductor. Copper is very good conductor of electricity and it can be mixed with other minerals. ओके दूसरे मिनरल के साथ मिक्स हो सकता है विथ इजीली. कॉपर इज यूजफुल इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज इन मेकिंग ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेटर, एयर कंडीशनर, ऑटोमोबाइल्स, रेडिएटर्स. हीट ट्रांसफर भी जल्दी करता है कॉपर, तो रेडिएटर में यूज होता है, डोमेस्टिक यूटेंसिल्स एटसेट्रा. फर्स्ट कॉपर रिफाइनिंग यूनिट ऑफ इंडिया वॉज फाउंडेड बाय इंडियन कॉपर कॉरपोरेशन ICC at Ghatshila in Jharkhand. In 1972, ICC was handed over to Hindustan Copper Limited (HCL). Besides HCL today, copper is produced by private sector also. Private owners also produce copper. Okay. Yet the domestic production is not enough, so it has to be imported. But still, India is not capable to produce all copper which it requires. So, copper is imported. Now, chemical industry. The position of chemical industry in India is important. Chemicals are of two types, organic and inorganic chemicals. Organic means एनिमल्स में और प्लांट्स में, ट्रीज में जो पाए जाते हैं केमिकल्स या तो उसके एटम्स. ओके, दिस इज दे आर कॉल्ड ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल. एंड जो इनऑर्गेनिक है वो कोई प्लांट में कि एनिमल्स में नहीं मिले जाते. पेट्रोकेमिकल्स इज द मेन ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल इंडस्ट्री. इट इज यूज इन आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स, आर्टिफिशियल रबर, plastic goods, color, chemicals, and in medicine, petrochemicals. Okay, the petroleum products are used in this all industry. Organic chemical industry is founded near oil refineries and petrochemical industries. तो पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है तो ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल इंडस्ट्री इज फाउंडेड नियर बाय पेट्रोकेमिकल सेंटर और रिफाइनरीज. Inorganic chemicals are used in phosphoric acid, nitric acid, salt, soda ash, caustic soda, and chlorine, etc. India has an important position in the world in the insecticides industries. Insecticides ज़्यादा बनाता है इंडिया. Gujarat lead in the country in chemical industry. Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Ankleshwar, Bharuch, etc. are major center of chemical industry. Okay, in this all center, Ankleshwar is the biggest chemical industries center. Chemical fertilizer industry, okay, used by farmers, chemical fertilizers. First chemical fertilizer factory of India was established in 1906 at Ranipat in Tamil Nadu. The development of this industry started when Fertilizer Corporation of India started its factory at Sindri. This industry is centered in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Kerala. In Gujarat, the factories producing chemical fertilizers are located at Kalol, Kandla, Hazira, Bharuch, Vadodara, etc. Now, plastic industry. Plastic industry is also known as sunrise industry. There has been a constant increase in the demand of raw material for plastic. Okay, nowadays plastic is used in many ways. It is very comfortable, but it is big threat for environment, we know, because it is waterproof and can fit into any mold, in any shape. It is used in packing chemicals, textiles, building construction, vehicle manufacturing, electronics, etc. Okay, प्लास्टिक में से कई पार्ट्स बनते हैं ये सब चीज़ों के. इम्पोर्ट Important centers producing plastic are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Vadodara, Vapi, Kanpur, Coimbatore and Chennai. Now cement industry. Cement is inevitable in the construction of road, dam, etc. Cement is used widely. India ranks second after China in cement production. It produces about 6% of the world production. टोटल वर्ल्ड का जो प्रोडक्शन है सीमेंट का उसमें से 6% इज प्रोड्यूस बाय इंडिया. लाइमस्टोन, कोल, जिप्सम, बॉक्साइट, क्ले एटसेट्रा आर द रॉ मटेरियल फॉर सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री. लाइमस्टोन चूना, ओके, जिप्सम चिरोड़ी गुजराती में बोलते हैं. तो दिस आर पार्ट टू मेक सीमेंट रॉ मटेरियल. द रॉ मटेरियल एंड द प्रोडक्ट्स हैव more weight, so the cement factories are located where the raw material is available in abundance. So generally, you may have experienced that the weight of cement is more. Okay, थोड़ा हम लेते हैं पैकेट में, कागज में, तो भी हैवी लगता है. Okay, तो that is why these factories are located where raw material is available in abundance. So transportation cost will decrease. Otherwise, more diesel or petrol will be required for transportation for heavyweight raw material. There is a fairly good development of this industry in Gujarat. There are many factories, big factories in Gujarat. Okay, Ambuja, Sanghi, etc. Athi. Transport equipment industry. You might have seen many types of vehicles for travel. Earlier, there were animal-driven vehicles, okay, bullock cart, horse cart, which were very slow speed पे चलते थे. Today, in modern age, vehicles with faster speed along with the development of road have come in usage. The industry which produce such vehicles is known as transport industries. कि इसमें ज़्यादा लिखा नहीं है, बट इंडिया प्रोड्यूसेस 4 व्हीलर्स, 2 व्हीलर्स, बाइसिकल्स एटसेट्रा. ओके, नाउ रेलवे सर्विसेज डिजर्व एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग इन इंडिया. रेलवे शुड बी एप्रिसिएटेड. रेलवेज मैन्युफैक्चर द इक्विपमेंट ऑफ इट्स ओन रिक्वायरमेंट बाय इटसेल्फ. रेलवे प्रोड्यूस कोच, ओके, machine or everything by itself, such as railway engine, passenger coach, goods coach, जिसमें प्रोडक्ट्स ट्रांसपोर्ट होती है, गुड्स कोच, मालगाड़ी बोलते हैं, एटसेट्रा. देयर आर ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस प्राइवेटली. प्राइवेट कंपनीज भी बनाती है. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रेलवे इंजिन: स्टीम, डीजल एंड इलेक्ट्रिक. द स्टीम इंजिन्स आर नाउ used only for the heritage train, okay, which are run only for tourism purpose. Steam engines now have stopped because its average or efficiency is very low. Diesel and electric engines are produced at Mihijam in Chittaranjan Locomotives Works in West Bengal. Diesel and electric engines are produced at Mihijam Chittaranjan Locomotives Works in West Bengal. Locomotive means engine. रेलवे इंजन को लोकोमोटिव भी बोलते हैं. Diesel locomotives works at Varanasi and the Tata locomotive work at Jamshedpur. यहाँ पे बनाए जाते हैं डीजल इंजन. Passenger coaches are manufactured at Perambur, Bengaluru, Kapurthala and Kolkata. Now, road vehicles. Before independence, we used to manufacture car by assembling its imported parts. Assemble होते हैं. Now, the factories manufacturing truck, bus, car, motorcycle, scooter and cycle are established in our country. The road vehicles are manufactured mostly by private sector. Okay, government की कोई कंपनी नहीं है. India ranked 5th in the world in the production of कॉमर्शियल व्हीकल्स, 5th रैंक में है कॉमर्शियल व्हीकल में कार, ट्रक, स्कूटर. Today, the vehicles and their spare parts manufactured in India are exported to foreign countries. India also export vehicles and its spare part. Tractor and cycles are produced in very large scale and we export them overseas. India export tractors and cycles. Shipbuilding industry, making ship. This is an ancient industry in India. In recent times, there are centers to build ship at modern style. Modern style की steamer बनाना. These are Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kochi, Mumbai and Marmago, which are in public sector. Public sector means run by government. These factories, company. Kochi and Visakhapatnam build ship of large scale. प्राइवेट डॉकयार्ड्स फुलफिल लोकल नीड. डॉकयार्ड जहाँ पे शिप पानी में रह सके, दैट इज कॉल्ड डॉकयार्ड, फुलफिल लोकल नीड. वी हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड प्रोड्यूसिंग हेलीकॉप्टर्स, एयरक्राफ्ट. एयरक्राफ्ट बिल्डिंग यूनिट्स आर एस्टाब्लिश एट बेंगलुरु, कोरापुट, नासिक, हैदराबाद एंड लखनऊ. The building of aircrafts for passenger travel has still not started in India. Still, passenger planes are not produced in India. Now, electronic industry. Radio set and telephone industry was established in India in 1905. Okay, olden time radio. This can be said to be the beginning of electronic industry in India. Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, was established in 1956 in Bengaluru with the motive to manufacture equipment for आकाशवाणी रेडियो सेंटर, गवर्नमेंट का है आकाशवाणी रेडियो सेंटर, जैसे दूरदर्शन है उस तरह, एंड वेदर डिपार्टमेंट. टुडे इट प्रोड्यूसेस वेरियस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कोलैबोरेशन मीन्स पार्टनरशिप में. इसरो के साथ ये जॉइंट पार्टनरशिप में इक्विपमेंट बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट पेज. This industry has brought a lot of change in the normal life of the people, their lifestyle and the national economy. Bengaluru has become capital of this industry. It is also called Silicon Valley of India. Software park, science park and technological park are established for the development of this industry. The future of this industry in India is very optimistic, hopeful. Future बहुत अच्छा है. Now, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.